I'm planning a ride from last 1 month, around 4400 odd kilometers we are traveling. 15 days to go around. So one known brand actually. So let me show you that. So I hope you guys can see in this ride, and they have sent something for us for this ride. Alright. Oh, fine. So this is the jacket I have received. So they have the Knox protection, one of the best thing, 5 years warranty they have. Best thing which I like about this jacket is the chest guards. So if you can see, these are the chest guards here. Doesn't have those protection chest guard. Most of the jacket doesn't provide the chest. These are the warmer and the rain covers. Nice. So my ride completion, I will share the review of it. One thing is the material they have used, the mesh material. See the steel guards, everything looks so good, and the fitting is material is good. I have removed the liners. Thank you Rynox.